Hey you guys, I'm back. Remember that I've been drawing yokai? Well, I'm gonna draw an S rank this time. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw Venoct. You see, Venoct is from the Slippery tribe, also. And, his ultimate move is Octosnake. And, let's see, what else? Oh yeah, well, he mostly has a dragon scarf. And, well, his first appearance was when he had to face off against Rubius J for revenge after what he did to his family. After what Rubius did to his family. That's why he came back to to fight him. That's why he came back to fight him. Doesn't he know that that revenge resolves it at nothing? As we all know, protecting others is all that it takes. Protecting others, or caring about and saving others, are all that matters. Anyways, here's how you draw him. I drew his eye, his hair. Next up, you just draw his other side. Here's his scarf that surrounds his face. Tally ho! There we go. Next up, you just gotta draw his fighting gi, or his ninja suit. Okay, so next up, here's his hand. Make sure to draw like 4 fingers on each of them. There we go. Next up, you just gotta draw down. Here's his eye here. There we go. Here's his Here we go. Just go down. Just go like that. And done. Okay, so okay. So next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his dragon scarf. So I already did one head, if you must know. I'm drawing the other one as we speak. And soap. Here's his hand. Hand. We're almost done. Get ready.
So he'll redo it by June 4th. Kai?
Not right now.
Yeah, June 4th. That's the plan. Yeah. Kyle, Miss Arlene's on the phone. Let's go.
I'm almost done.
He's finishing up the movie. Yeah, he's doing his YouTube movies.
Okay, so I'm almost done with that. Now the next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his feet, and here's his other foot. There we go. And it's all done. That's how you draw a Venoct, people. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll be sure to tune you in on what other character I'm going to draw next. Well, goodbye for now.